kalong kasi kabag kerpang bagabas ko tenat nak mentaki di nohikai berka school hi barok kawai hak ni hasin Gabriel HS School nomor ba hak ni kasin kaba ningkong tam kasin Gabriel kalayo biang wansay yo way ni kena ba poi hak dan kaba nyo hak top 10 tilers but kalong kasi kaba komen na mentaki nohikai ki para kena school buat ki kamdam ki principal ban yo biang kena ban wan rak nam ya school session pat te mentah sing adon hang ni sing Gabriel ban yo kendo bo new samla ba wan rak nam biang ya school Hadien te kos nam mentah ude samla ba kerteng Graham Bell Karmendai pat swa bangin ya kran bu dia kena ya ngin ya kran ya kino hikai ki principal isu kumno ban yo ya kan ya jingkemen hakan ya si ke mentah ban saya kran ru ba Graham Bell Usung kumno ya kena result ke bau yo mentah sini bat ke kalawai ke conggu ke ke bau perkat nang ni semua.
We are very proud of our students, and they are especially these present batch. I'm very happy with them. They are hard working, and even we the teachers, we put our heart and soul to help them so that they will get through in this board exams. And you know, our students here in the schools, they are, to compare with the other schools in the town, they are different. No, they have got many of them, they have got with their own problems. So we used to help with the problems, okay? And we the teachers also, because many of them, they cannot afford to go to tuition, no? But we took extra classes. And every Saturday from 9 to 12, we used to take extra classes, especially during in my subjects, no, health education. So this is the goal that we are getting today. And one student, he got 100 in health education this year. Last year, 6 of them, but this year only 1. Maybe they are missing here and there.
Ni smoke ben mo namar balay ba kalong kai ba ya ai mensim dai ya ki wei pada ki kena ru ba kumju kham tam ini kino hikai ru kanang yarap te yang ni bangin nang lang ban kham trei kham shitom shu mo ban kham ai shu ka jing yarap hi kena ki jong ni nang ta ka nu galong jing smoke men ru nama ba ha ki tu ki port ba men shwaru na juyo hi ha po ka list ta ba kilong ki top 20 top last year ni yo ki top 15 but this year it has been lifted up mo kham shai jrong shu na ka 15 la wan cha ka 7th position tingi ai jing khublei ru Graham Bell hi long khna ba very sincere do kata ataw long ba sincere balong particular mo ki ba ule hard work hadu ha class ada udan kanu ka jing arta tin ru umju shapting man kili te na kinong hikai kila judan gi khna bi yo ki top 10 ru bun haki sem ki bamen shwaro but exactly ki year tengam la ban kan mau te.
Of course, we feel very proud of him securing the 7th position, and of course the credit goes to him. They ignite Geelong very serious in his studies, in his behavior. No, very hard working boy and very active working, taking part in almost all the activities in the school. So we expected really to get this position. The kerman bakinyo ka mensim na ini kena mo.
Nga tharang ka credit ka kham ningkong sho blai kham tam shi ki mi pa ki bla pen he pen sani u bon long khna badan akor badan buram hadu ka ta hadu ha classroom te nga tharang Graham Bell la de u khna ba ai nuksa ka ba rau ka ban kini ki para jo u ki khna school hakani ka school kin buat dien ya kan nuksa ka ba jo u Graham Bell ula im hakani ka juk ka bala sha influence ba da social media no doubt but kadai ka jinglong ka batan rai jo u ka ba umki umsha penshoy temptations te ngop haki aka.
Actually this boy I expected because he was bright, doing well, hard working and very good in character also. So he's very an all-rounder. Of course, the teachers are in cloud 9 because that is it is also their contribution, their dedication. So we congratulate the parents also because it is their hard work and also their guidance and the cooperation with the teachers and the school. Because now I feel the children feel more responsible, and they are also up for competitions, and our children are more and more, ambitious now. So having seen the other part of the world, and I'm feeling more gratified to see the children aiming for higher. To climb.
To do more, much better.
Better, yes.
Yeah. Atau pila, prepare, expect bahkan point top 7.
Expect nomor exam tu lah masa yang saya baik ah. Nomor dia pas untuk tension nomor apa mateng dan pelapor kerek mo apa. Kaji kereta kereta tu kan kau mau pergi orang tu kan.
Tapi mentah lah ada mentah in the 11-12 stream you pula perkat.
Perkat apa nama cua?
In sim science.
Kau itu yang kolong doktor. Dah tayang lagi mimpi ah. Dalam sekolah kita. Tentang kuliah ikut hidup na school baru disepentit kat im tu pun kuliah ah. Terus tu langsung bang.
Kayak kau buat bafi. Kau tunat bahawan kuliah.
Kabuk tu yang saya kuliah psychological book lah nomor apa. Psychology lebih important banget. Wah itu recommend we kena pun kuliah kadi mindful numbers. Interpret dia knowledge berpion na school AI nomor apa. Imdit mau machine Gabriel. Bagaimana ban supel dan baru mula ada. Kita common standing ba yang
Di college hai, kelas hai 11-12.
Kelas ada. Kedai pedang Army Saint Anthony pada month.